Hello, this is a video to show how to delete parts of objects in Blender. This is a 3D cup I made before. You can find the tutorial in this channel. In this tutorial, I will show how to delete the handle. Now I switch to solid shading mode, and then I maximize this viewport. And then I make invisible for the scenes for rendering, and then also, I make the subdivision surface modifier invisible. Now, if you want to delete the handle, we can select the object and go to Add Demo. And then we can make a face selection. I close up to view it. And then we can select the face and press delete to show the delete menu, or we can use X to show the delete menu. So we can delete face individually. So we can make multiple selection and delete the faces. Or we can use Alt and click to make a face loop, and Shift Alt to select another face loop and delete the face loop. One tricky thing, if we select one face and then press Ctrl L, we can select the faces linked together and delete the faces. Now we can delete a part of object. Now if we want to fill the hole, we can go to Edge Selection and make selection of the edge around the hole, and then go to Face and Grid Fill. We can do the same thing for the bottom hole and go to Face and Grid Fill. Now we can go back to Object Mode and go back to Render Scene and make the render scene invisible, and select the object and make subdivision surface modifier visible, and then we can render preview. So this is how we can delete parts of object in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.